Dear student, this is Shailesh Devidas Janbandhu from Become Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In last lecture, we discussed about the how to create a company, how to delete a company, how to select a company, how to alter a company. Now, today we discuss about the stock and go down. Stock. Stock is nothing but the product which are available in shop as well as in a godown. Stock is product which are available for selling purpose or any other purpose. For that, we should activate the accounting feature, integrate account and inventory option. For this, when we are on gateway of Tally, press F11 function key for the company feature. We have three types of features, which are from these select the accounting feature. In accounting feature, we have different type of option. Select the option integrate accounts and inventory option to yes. By this way we can activate the accounting feature. To create a stock group, we should follow this step. Stock group are identifiers for the stock. Just like different type of stock or different type of products of same company can be available into our showroom. For identifying these companies, we create a stock group. To create a stock group, follow this step. Gateway of Tally. In Gateway of Tally, press inventory info menu. In inventory info menu, we have different type of options. From that option, click on stock group. After clicking the stock group, we get different options like create, alter, display. From these options, click on create option. After create option, we display a pop-up screen or dialog box. In that dialog box, select the stock group creation screen. After getting the stock group creation screen, fill the information or respective information and press Y or press enter to create that stock group. Just like to create this stock group, this windows we have just like Gateway of Tally. In Gateway of Tally, inventory info. In inventory info, select the stock group. In stock group, select single stock group, create option. This type of window will appear, that called stock group creation window. Here we can provide the name, alias under the primary group and press yes to accept or to create the stock group. In stock group, how we can display how many stock group are available in our company. To display the stock group, we should follow same procedure just like Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group. Here rather than we click on create option to display, click on the display or enter on the display option. Here we get the desired a list of stock group which are available in our company. Select desired stock group and click escape key for exit from the stock group. These are the displaying windows to display the stock group. Inventory info, stock group, display a name of or list of all groups. From list of all groups, we can select a specific group and that group can be displayed on a screen. To make some changes in existing stock group, we should use alter a stock group option. Same way the step is continued just like Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, alter. Select the desired stock group from list, stock alteration screen, press Y to save the alteration or modification in stock group. The screens are available. Inventory info, stock group, alter option, list of stock group. Select the desired stock group, make the changes you want and press yes to save the changes. Stock categories. Stock categories are the option which is available in again inventory info. In inventory info, we have different type of features, or to make the feature activate, we should again change the feature like inventory feature. To categorize a stock, to categorize a stock, we should activate the main stock category option from the feature inventory feature. To activate it, press F11 company feature. From the company feature, we have three type of company feature. Accounting feature, we discuss about the accounting feature. Next one, inventory feature. For inventory feature, after clicking inventory feature, a new window will display. From this window, select the maintain stock category to yes. By this way, we can get the categories option in our main menu or gateway of Tally menu. Press S to make the changes saved. To create a stock category, before that we should know the category. Category, just like each and everything is categorized under the some specific way. That categories, just like we have different type. If we have a showroom of computer or computer hardware, there was different type of monitors or different type of keyboards or mouse. To identify that things or products, we make them categorize, just like mouse, keyboard, monitor, motherboard. These are the categories by which we can provide or we can distinguish them or category them by this way. To create a category, again we should follow the steps. Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock category. To create a new category, click on create option. Stock category creation screen will display. Press yes to create. These are the windows which are displayed when we operate creating a single stock category. Just like gateway of Tally, in gateway of Tally, inventory info. In inventory info, click on stock category. In stock category, we should click on create option. The displayed create category creation screen will be displayed. Provide the name and alias under the primary option and accept yes to create a new stock category. After that, to displaying a single stock category, follow these steps, just like gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally, from masters, click on inventory info. The inventory info menu will display. From the inventory info menu, click on stock categories. In stock categories, click display option. A list of or name of categories will be displayed on our screen. Select the specified category, just like keyboard. All the information about the keyboard will be displayed on our screen. That screen is called as a stock category display screen. Press escape key to back on the gateway of Tally menu. Same way, when we have different type of categories in our company, that time we need to change or modify them. To modify them, we should alter a single stock category. To alter a single stock category, click on gateway of Tally. Again, inventory info from the masters. A new menu or new menu box will be appear, that is called inventory info menu. In inventory info menu, click on stock categories. In stock categories, when we click on stock categories, a new menu will be displayed, that is called stock categories menu. Click on the alter option or press alter A. When we press alter A list of stock categories will be displayed, which are already created by create option. From the list, click on the desired category. A new screen will be displayed, that is called as a stock category alteration screen. Here we can make changes according to requirement and press yes to save the changes. Stock item. Stock item is most important for any business. Stock item is nothing but the product which are sold in our showroom or in a shop. To create a stock item, we should follow these steps, just like gateway of tally, inventory info, stock item. From the stock item, create. When we click on create option, stock item creation screen will display. Fill the all details in the screen and press yes to create a stock item. The screens are available for creating a single stock item. Gateway of tally, inventory info, stock item, respective element should be selected. A new screen will be appeared when we click on create option. There, according to the item, the different type of options are there, just like name. Here we should enter the name of the product, just like monitor, keyboard, mouse. In alias, if we have different identifiers to make them to identify, we can provide the alias. Under the Logitech, just like we create a stock group, that stock group can be provided here. That is called under as Logitech, or the company of the monitor is called as a under the group. Next option is category. Category, just like we discussed about it, category is identify the product, just like monitor, keyboard. Here we provide the 12 inches monitor. It means we have different type of different size of monitors. From these we provide or we select the 12-inch monitor. In units we should provide pieces, just like a product can be identified by its units, just like kilogram, gram, pieces, quantities. These units can be provided here. How to create a unit we discuss later. Then statutory information, rate of duty should be provided, just like different type of rates are available here. Taxes should be provided according to bill or exchange. After that we have opening balance, just like how many pieces are there, the rate per piece and the total amount. After pressing enter, the screen will ask about to accept or not. Here press yes or click enter to accept the changes or create a new stock item. Same way, when we create some items, we should know about how many items or how many types of items we created. So to display that stock item, follow these steps, just like gateway of tally. In gateway of tally, inventory info menu, click on inventory info. The inventory info menu will be displayed. From the inventory info menu, select stock item. In stock item menu, click on the display option. A list of all stock items will be displayed on our screen. Click on a specified or desired stock item. All the information related with that particular item will be displayed on display screen. Press escape key to move on inventory info menu or stock item menu. To make some changes or modify the data which is provided to the existing stock item, we should alter that particular stock item. To alter that item, follow these steps. Gateway of tally. On gateway of tally, click on inventory info menu. Inventory info menu, click on stock item. After clicking the stock item menu will be displayed. Press Alt A or click on alter option from single stock item. A list of stock item will be displayed. Select the desired stock item. The stock item alteration screen will be displayed. Make changes or modify the existing information and click on yes to save the changes. Next point is unit of measures, creating a simple unit. Just like we discussed about that, the unit that like kilogram, gram, pieces, quantities are should be created for the product. To create a unit of measures, follow the steps. Gateway of Tally. In Gateway of Tally, inventory info. In inventory info menu, unit of measures, select the create option. After create option or clicking on create option, the unit creation screen will display. Press Y to create a new unit of measures. The diagrams for the creating a simple unit, same way, or the path which is followed. Inventory info from the Gateway of Tally, unit of measures from the inventory info menu, create option from the unit menu. Here we provide two types of units, that is simple unit and compound unit. In type option, select the simple unit. For the symbol, provide kilogram, pieces, or any unit which you want to create. Then formal name, just like if we provide in symbol kg, its formal name is kilogram. Number of decimal places, if we want, then provide the number of decimal places, just like 2, 3, 4. Just like in kilogram, there are 3 decimal points. In paise, there are 2. In quantity, there are 1. So provide that decimal places number and press yes to create the units. Same way we can create the compound unit also. Here is difference is that the simple unit can be created first. After that, or to create a compound unit, we should have two types of simple unit for that. Means we should create first simple unit, after that we can create a compound unit. To create a compound unit, the steps are as follows. Inventory info, from the inventory info, unit of measures, from the unit of measures, create option. Same way the unit creation screen will be displayed. Here in type, select the compound option from the type of units, and symbol, formal name, number of decimal places are same. Just like if we provide the kg, means kilogram, the conversion of first unit should be transferred from kilogram to gram. So we should have kilogram as well as gram into simple unit. For that we can create a compound unit. Display the simple unit, same way. Inventory info, unit of measures, display of option from the unit, and a list of units will be displayed on your screen. Select the desired one, the screen will display that particular unit of measures. To changes or to modify or make some changes in unit, select the alter a simple unit. Procedure is same. Go downs. Go downs are the place where we store the product. Normally we have, any business have two types of go down, that is the store or the shop, and second one, the product were kept for future, is called as a go down. So every business or every shop has two types of go downs. Number one, shop or shop itself, and second one is a go down where the product will be stored. To creating a go down, we should activate some feature. To activate feature, we should press F11 key on our keyboard for opening the company feature menu. In company feature menu, select the inventory feature. In inventory feature, the company inventory feature menu will be displayed. From these, in the option storage and classification, select maintain multiple go down to yes. After clicking yes, the menu or the inventory feature asks you to accept the changes. Press yes to activate it. To create a single go down, the company feature menu will again appears. In company feature, reappears. In company feature, select the accounting feature to creating a single go down. In accounting feature menu, select maintain cost center. Cost center we can discuss later in our next uh, session. In this session, we should just click on the maintain cost center and click on yes to accept the changes. To create a single go down, again same procedure should be followed. That is gateway of tally. In gateway of tally, inventory info menu. In inventory info menu, click on go down option. After clicking the go down option, the go down menu will be appear. In go down menu, click on the create option. After clicking, a new screen will be displayed. That screen is called as go down creation screen. Provide the information in that screen and press yes to create the go down. The diagrams or pictorial form of single creation go down, that is gateway of tally. In inventory info go down menu. In go down menu, select the create option. After clicking the create option, go down creation screen will display like that. Press yes to create a go down. To display the go down, how many go downs we created in the company, same procedure should be followed. In go down menu, click on the display option and the display screen will appear on our desktop screen. To make the changes in go down, or to change the name of go down or alias of the go down or group of go down, we can alter or modify that go down. To alter the go down, follow the steps. Gateway of tally. In gateway of tally menu, click on inventory info menu. In inventory info menu, click on go downs or press alter D option. The new menu will be appear, that is called go down menu. In go down menu, press alter A or click on alter option. The list of all go down will be displayed on our screen. Select the desired go down and the alteration screen will appear. Make the desired changes and press yes to save the changes. Thank you for the session. Good day.